And this is the reason.
Is it going down right now?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna do this because this piece of shit has not let us sleep all fucking weekend because of his goddamn snoring. And this, he's getting what's coming because listen to him. Just listen once, just listen. We're gonna stop for a second. Yeah, it was loud. It's that serious. Okay, ready? Here we go, look. I don't know if you see this. This
Needs a cup of
face,
water.
this face, all day. Ready? Here, let's switch faces real quick. Tell me if you got the perfect shot, perfect angle. Okay, ready, set,